something that was in the store
Right.
made you fall. What would happen in that case? Do you have a case?
You know, in that situation, it really depends upon the facts of what you fell on and what, you know, was it part of the equipment, something in the aisle, or was it a product that had leaked out? It all depends on that. Now the question I have is, do you know what you fell or tripped over?
Yes.
And what was that?
Well, it was like a shoe. It was a shoe. Well, it was some shoes, but they were on the stand, and it had rollers on it. And I reached back to try on a pair of shoes. When I did, what happened was the thing just moved, and bam, I went down.
Yeah, that's a condition on the premises. It's where they, in these trip and fall or slip and fall, there are different facts which get involved, and one of the bigger ones was the condition created by the defendant. It sounds like that's what happened here. Truly, what you really need to do is you need to contact a lawyer. You need to sit down and go through every little detail, because these trip and fall cases, they're very, very fact specific. You've got to make sure that you prove A, B, C, D, because the law is really bad on these. But if you can prove that the other side did something wrong, there was a defect, then at that point, yes, you may have a case.
Yeah, and I think I know exactly what she's talking about. We've had two cases. Actually, we have one going right now where there's a pretty well-known clothing store here in town where the lady was reaching for a coat, and it was one of these. In a lot of these stores, you'll see these temporary racks.
Right.
And they all have, and she mentioned on rollers, and they all have locks on the bottom. And a lot of times people forget to lock the rollers. And so when people reach, then it goes, and the people go with it. And so that sounds like what she experienced. And if that's the case, then it sounds like the employees did not lock it down. They didn't do what they were supposed to do. And so, you know, potentially, you more than likely will have a claim.